which is one of the awesome volcanoes with hot springs in Costa Rica. We are very sad to leave this place, but let's go on another adventure.
On to Arenal.
Hello, sweet cows. You guys are so cute.
Hey, honey. Volcano.
Well, we got some coffee in Nicoya. Finally feel like human again.
I think we're lost.
I think you're peeing. We're driving along the highway and we see all these signs in the bushes like Jennifer's the best housekeeper in Costa Rica, ask Jeff for advice, and best guacamole, and free pools. So like, what is this? So anyways, we drive by and it's Toad Hall and we stop by and we're gonna go and check it out now.
My name is Marilyn. Thanks for being here at Boho. It's a piece of paradise that we love to share with you. And thanks for your stop. And we hope you come back again and bring more people. Without you.
Curvy swirly. Hot springs. Those hot springs behind me are actually natural hot springs that are coming from the volcano that's just up there. One of our favorite places in Costa Rica, so we're just gonna go and enjoy some pools right now. Or hot springs.
I feel
Zen.